What would it feel like to drift near a black hole and hear it pulse like a heartbeat? Or imagine being close to a dead star colliding with another at the speed of light. Would space be silent or screaming? We often think of space as a vast, quiet void, but thanks to advanced tools and sound processing techniques by space agencies like NASA and ESA, we can actually hear things happening across the universe. Not through air vibrations, but through electromagnetic waves turned into eerie audio. And what we've discovered? It's spine-chilling. From planets that growl to stars that hum like ancient machines. Today, we're diving into the 10 scariest sounds ever recorded from space. And yes, they're real, just not in the way you might expect. Let's begin our cosmic horror show. Mars, the red planet, often talked about as humanity's potential second home. Located about 225 million kilometers from Earth, Mars has fascinated us for centuries. With its dusty landscapes, freezing temperatures, and thin carbon dioxide atmosphere, it's not exactly paradise, but it's one of the most studied planets in our solar system. But what does it sound like on Mars? Using instruments on NASA's Perseverance rover, scientists captured subtle, haunting vibrations. It sounds like low, ghostly buzzing, mostly inaudible to the human ear, but when enhanced, it becomes something unnerving. It's not the kind of background noise you'd want to hear before going to sleep on your Martian base. Luckily, if humans do live on Mars someday, our ears probably won't pick this up unaided. Still, the silence of Mars might not be as peaceful as it seems. Saturn has dozens of moons, but Enceladus might be the most mysterious. Covered in clean white ice, this moon is one of the most reflective objects in our solar system. Enceladus isn't just pretty, it's active. It ejects plumes of water vapor and ice from its south pole, hinting at a liquid ocean beneath. This has made it a top candidate for possible alien life. But when spacecraft passed by, what they heard was haunting. A series of rising and falling electronic tones, like something out of a sci-fi horror movie. These sounds are actually energy emissions, electromagnetic particles being picked up as audio. But the result is a sound that feels alive and deeply alien. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, over 1,300 times the volume of Earth. It's a gas giant with no solid surface, and it spins faster than any other planet, just 10 hours per rotation. It's surrounded by huge storms, including the famous Great Red Spot. Jupiter also has the strongest magnetic field of any planet, 14 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetosphere traps charged particles and creates powerful radiation belts. When translated into audio, Jupiter gives off a pulsing, growling roar. It's like the deep breath of a monster that never sleeps. This sound isn't caused by wind or storms. It's a result of charged particles interacting with the magnetic field. It's beautiful and deeply disturbing. But what happens when you leave the solar system entirely? In 2012, NASA's Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, the area beyond the influence of our sun. It's a place filled with gas, dust, and cosmic rays. And surprisingly, it's not silent. Voyager picked up plasma wave vibrations, which, when converted into audio, sound like ghostly whistles and wails. This eerie tone proves that even the emptiest places in the universe still have energy and a haunting presence. Neutron stars are the crushed remnants of supernova explosions. Just a teaspoon of their material would weigh 1 billion tons. But what happens when two of them collide? In 2017, scientists detected gravitational waves from such a collision. These waves, ripples in space-time, were turned into sound, revealing a popping, crackling series of pulses. It's not just cool, it's terrifying, because such collisions release more energy than our sun will in its entire lifetime, all in just a few seconds. The sound? It's as if the universe is cracking open. GRS 1915 plus 105 is a binary system, a star locked in a deadly dance with a black hole. Located about 36,000 light-years away, it's infamous for its unpredictable outbursts of X-ray energy. The black hole feeds on the nearby star, sucking in material and blasting out jets of plasma at near light speed. Every hour, 200 trillion tons of matter are flung into space. When this energy is converted to sound, it pulses, slow and steady, like a heartbeat. Scientists even call it the heartbeat of space. But it's not comforting. It's horrifying. It feels like something alive is waiting out there, beating in the dark. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Rosetta spacecraft approached Comet 67P. What it heard shocked everyone. The comet was producing oscillations in its magnetic field, a kind of natural song. The frequency was too low for humans to hear, but when sped up, it became a strange mix of clicking, growling, and humming, like an animal growling deep in its throat. No one knows exactly how or why the comet sings. It remains one of the great unexplained mysteries of space. The sun might be the source of all life, but it also has a terrifying side. Using data from satellites like SOHO and SDO, scientists have turned the sun's solar vibrations into sound. The result? A constant, low-frequency hum, like an ancient machine breathing beneath us. The sun rings like a giant bell, except its notes can last for hours or even days. These acoustic waves help scientists study the interior of the sun, but to our ears, it sounds like something out of a horror soundtrack. Black holes are already terrifying. Infinite gravity pulling in everything, even light. Now imagine two of them smashing into each other. When black holes collide, they send gravitational waves rippling through the fabric of space itself. The sound, when captured, is short, but intense. It starts with a rising chirp, then suddenly stops. That's the moment the two black holes become one, and some of their mass is instantly converted to pure energy. The universe never screams. It chirps and vanishes. Now, let's jump back to our solar system, where there's a jewel unlike any other, gleaming with icy rings and golden clouds. We're talking about Saturn, the gas giant that looks like a work of art, but hides something far more mysterious. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Its rings, made of ice, rock, and dust, stretch over 280,000 kilometers, wide enough to fit Earth inside them several times over. It's beautiful, mesmerizing. But in 2002, when NASA's Cassini spacecraft got close enough to listen, it picked up something completely unexpected. The planet was emitting sounds. Cassini recorded electromagnetic waves around Saturn and its poles, frequencies far beyond human hearing. But when converted into audio, we hear something haunting, a series of deep, rising and falling tones, distant echoes, almost like a whisper traveling through space. It's not music. It's not random noise. It sounds intelligent. These sounds come from Saturn's auroras, immense glowing storms near its magnetic poles. Much like Earth's northern lights, these auroras are caused by the solar wind hitting the planet's magnetic field. But unlike Earth's gentle shimmer, Saturn's auroras unleash powerful radio bursts that twist and dance as the planet spins. And here's what's even stranger. The rhythm of these sounds changes over time. In fact, the shifts were so confusing, scientists couldn't even determine Saturn's exact day length because the planet's own voice wouldn't stay on beat. When you listen, it doesn't feel like a planet. It feels like a presence. A cosmic giant, whispering secrets in a language we haven't learned to decode yet. Saturn is breathtaking from afar. But get too close, and you'll hear the truth. It's not just beautiful, it's watching. So, which one gave you chills? Was it the heartbeat of a black hole, the scream of a frozen moon, or the cosmic breath of Saturn? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more mind-blowing, spine-tingling content from beyond the stars. Until next time, stay curious,